Okay, so are you getting this error while you're trying to activate Dream Textures? Well, there's an easy way to fix this. What you want to do is close down Blender completely and then find where you have dumped your 7-zip file and where you extracted it to. So this is this one here, and inside of this one you'll have the zip file what you tried to install install Dream Textures into Blender with. What you want to do is extract that again using 7-zip or extract, normal extract. And what you'll get is another folder called exactly the same name, but you can go into it. And inside that you'll have Dream Textures. So you want to put this to one side. Then you want to right click on Windows Explorer and do File Explorer, or you can just do a middle click if you've got a middle click. Then you want to go to your C drive. So this computer, C drive, and you want to go to users, your name, and in the description you will find this to paste up here, and that is AppData Roaming Blender Foundation Blender. Press enter. Go to the version of Blender you're using, so I'm using 3.4. You want to go to scripts and then add-ons, and then you'll see Dream Textures right here. What you want to do is just click on this, make a copy it, and paste it in here. And that is it. So I'll let this copy over, and it might ask you to say yes a couple of times or ignore duplicate files. So just hit those, and I'll be back in a minute when it's finished doing. Okay, so it has now copied all of the files, and what you want to do is open up Blender again and spell Blender correctly, and then go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, type in Dream, and then click the activation button, and voila, it's all working now. Now you can just install everything else what you need to download. So that's it. Hope you found this useful. Subscribe, rate and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye.